If you're in the market for a brand new head unit and are wondering which brand is best, stay tuned for this video. We'll be going over the 5 major brands: Alpine, Kenwood, JVC, Sony, and Pioneer, and giving our take on what's good and what's not so good, and what we recommend. So, stay tuned. Hey, what's up all? This is Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drop stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Car audio head units play a crucial role in enhancing the driving experience by providing entertainment, navigation, and connectivity features. Now, as mentioned, your major brands are Alpine, Kenwood, JVC, Sony, and Pioneer. Now, each of these brands have distinct characteristics that set them apart in the world of car audio. So, let's begin. Now, Alpine head units often feature advanced technology and user-friendly interfaces. They focus on sound quality and integration with other car audio systems, making them a favorite amongst audiophiles. Now, Alpine units are known for their sleek designs, intuitive controls, and customizable options. These head units may come at a higher price point, but the investment often pays off in terms of superior sound quality and durability. Kenwood, on the other hand, is renowned for its wide range of head unit options that cater to different budget levels. Now, Kenwood offers a balance between affordability and quality. Their units often come packed with features and music playback up to 192 kHz. Kenwood's commitment to value for money makes them a popular choice for consumers seeking good performance without breaking the bank. Now, they do have an exclusive line by the name of Epsilon, and these units come with 5-volt pre-outs versus the standard Kenwood that only goes up to 4 volts. Also, those come with a 2-year warranty versus a 1-year warranty. JVC. Now, JVC merged with Kenwood a few years back, and some of the entry double-din head units are almost identical, but as you go up the line, they are very much different. Now, JVC is known for its visual appealing head units that often feature vibrant displays and eye-catching designs. Now, JVC tends to focus on multimedia capabilities, offering features like DVD playback, touchscreen interfaces, and dynamic color illumination. While the audio quality is still important, JVC puts an emphasis on creating an immersive visual experience within the car, along with sound quality in their higher end models, with those models giving you up to 5 volts of pre-outs. Their units are popular amongst those who prioritize entertainment and aesthetics. Next, Sony. Now, this brand combines technology, simplicity, and affordability. Sony head units are very easy to use, but are also known for integrating features like high-res audio, voice control, and compatibility with various music streaming services. Sony units tend to strike a balance between audio performance, tech innovation, and competitive pricing, making them a popular choice for a wide range of consumers, especially because of brand recognition and brand loyalty. Their units tend to cater to tech-savvy users that are familiar with their interface, which is similar in their TVs, game consoles, and more. Next, Pioneer. Now, Pioneer has a reputation for being a pioneer in car audio technology. They were the first to make units with navigation many years ago, and more recently, the first company to integrate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Their head units often come equipped with advanced features. Pioneer places a strong emphasis on seamless smartphone connectivity and enhancing the overall driving experience. One of the cons is the pre-out section tends to be a little weaker than some of the other brands, even on their 4-volt models. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so Alpine is known for great sound quality and also the sound processing. Kenwood offers a wide range of models along with good sound quality. JVC often features touchscreen interfaces and visually appealing menus. Sony focuses on user-friendly interfaces that are consistent amongst the Sony brand. And Pioneer is often first to market with technology. In conclusion, here is my personal pros and cons list. Alpine. Pros: great sound quality and great sound processing, with the higher end models coming with parametric EQs and left and right EQing. Cons: a little on the pricey side and limited models. Kenwood. Pros: lots of models to choose from, good sound quality and good processing. Cons: user interface is a little out of date. JVC. Now, the pros are the visual effects and the 5-volt pre-out on the higher end units. And the cons are the higher end LCD units do come with a smaller screen than some of the other brands. Sony. Pros: simple and sleek. Cons: may be too simple for some. Pioneer. Now, the pros include leading with the integration of technology and also lots of models to choose from. And the con: a little bit weaker outputs. Okay, so if I had to give you my list, it would go Alpine, Kenwood, JVC, Pioneer, and then Sony. Let's hear yours. Leave that in the comment section below. Okay, that's gonna do it. Again, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.